You've been charged with a crime, and your first initial hearing or your preliminary hearing is fast approaching. What do you do? What to expect? What's going to happen? This is a question that I get all the time from people. They're anxious, they're worried, they're nervous. And so I'm going to lay this out over the next few minutes. My name is Corey Scott. I am a criminal defense attorney. I help people keep their freedom even if they're charged with serious criminal charges. And so the next few minutes, I want to walk you through and let you know exactly what to expect at that initial first hearing. So here's the deal. The day is fast approaching. Tomorrow you're going to go to court for the first time. You've never been in trouble before. You have no idea what to expect. Well, let me lay it out for you. Okay, so here's the deal. First and foremost, the main purpose of the initial hearing or that first hearing is to make sure that you fully understand and that you're informed of what the charges are against you, what's the range and the penalties that you could possibly face, and to have you give an initial plea. In most cases, certainly in Indiana, that initial plea is going to be put in place for you by the judge, which is going to be a not guilty. Now, you and your attorney can always change that not guilty plea later on in the process. But at the initial hearing, normally the court enters a not guilty plea for you. The court will want to make sure that your name is correct, that your date of birth is correct, and that you have a copy of the charging information, that you get a copy of the probable cause affidavit, and then the court will want to find out whether or not you plan to retain private counsel or whether or not the court should consider appointing public counsel at the state's expense. And so most scenarios, this is going to be a very short hearing. Most of these things last 5 minutes or less. Again, you're going to be informed. The court's going to make sure they have their information straight, going to make sure that they have good contact information. They're going to find out whether or not you're going to get counsel. And then most likely the court will set the next hearing, which is called a pretrial conference. And that's the next time that you're going to be expected to appear in court. If you tell the court that you're going to hire counsel, they'll expect that that person will enter an appearance and be present with you at the next hearing. And that's pretty much what's going to happen at that initial hearing. And there you have it. My name is Corey Scott. If I can be of any further assistance, please reach out, call me, email me, hit me up. I'd be more than happy to help you. Until then, you take great care.